In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restrict editing and limit formatting in Microsoft Word. If you've ever shared a document and had the formatting or content unexpectedly change, this walkthrough will help you lock things down while keeping your document clean and consistent. Start by opening the document you want to protect in Microsoft Word. Make sure everything looks the way you want it before you turn on protection. Next, head to the Review tab on the ribbon. This is where Word groups its tools for collaboration, comments, tracking, and protection. Look for the Protect section, then click Restrict Editing. A pane will open on the right side of your screen, and this is where you'll set the rules. First, let's control formatting. Check the option that says Limit Formatting to a selection of styles. This ensures people who work with the file can only apply the styles you approve, which keeps headings, body text, and lists consistent. Click the Settings button to choose which styles are allowed. In the dialog that appears, you'll see your document's style list. Select the styles you want to permit, such as your chosen heading levels, body text, and any special list or quote styles you use. When you're satisfied, click OK to confirm. Now, if you want to prevent changes to the document's content, enable editing restrictions. In the same pane, check Allow only this type of editing in the document. From the drop-down, choose No Changes, Read Only. This setting stops people from typing, deleting, or reformatting beyond the styles you've allowed. It's a good choice when you want to distribute a finalized document and avoid accidental edits. To put the rules into effect, click Yes, Start Enforcing Protection. You can set a password here if you want to make sure only authorized people can turn protection off. If you do set a password, choose one you can remember and store it securely, because you'll need it to remove or change protection later. Finally, save your document so all these settings are preserved. Consider saving over the existing file if you're confident, or saving a copy if you want to keep an unprotected version for your own editing. That's it. You've restricted editing and limited formatting in Word, helping your document stay consistent and protected.